Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to cover the DND do not disturb list and the contact supply compliance. So let's hop into the go high level. So right now we are inside go high level and we'll be going inside the conversation tab to discover the DND option. If I select any contact right here, so there is an option for DND, which means do not disturb. If I select DND all, I won't be sending him that this particular lead any message or any type of con content, you can say, using any call, text message, emails, anything. We won't be sending him anything. Basically, we are not disturbing that person. So that means do not disturb. Secondly, if I go inside the the settings tab and the business profile. So right now I'm inside the business profile. If I go down, you can look down there. There is an option that says make email compliant by adding an unsubscribe link in your email. So this creates an email that provides a link through which a client can DND himself or unsubscribe from the email by clicking that link. So yeah, that's a brief overview of DND and compliance, contact compliance. If you find this video helpful, you may like the video and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.